Toy review, toy review. This is William's toy review. What?
It's Soundwave today!
Alright, well, why don't you show your audience your new acquisition from eBay, and it's a G1 Soundwave with Laserbeak. Alright, show the audience how to do it. And explain it as you're doing it.
So Laserbeak, the legs, the wings go out like that, and the feet flip down, and the head comes out of the neck.
Alright, do you have them all transformed? Now, put them towards the camera so the audience can see. We'll hold them up. There you go. And what was he before you turned him into a bird?
A cassette.
Right. And what did cassettes used to do back in the day? What did they used to play?
Music.
That's right. So that brings us to Soundwave. And what is Soundwave?
A boombox.
And what did boomboxes do?
They hold the cassette and play music.
That's right. Now let's go ahead.
Daddy, can you take out the fist for me? Can you?
Alright, this little part Will has a little problem with because they're a little tight. And that's his fists. So we're going to put those down and he will do the rest for you.
They're so excited to see more of my videos. Because this is another one. This is so hard. There we go.
Okay. And tell the audience what the feet are made out of on
Metal.
metal.
They click down with a very good click.
Right.
It's nice and quiet.
Yeah.
So the babies can hear it.
Right. And then you flip the head up, right?
And twist it
Right.
around.
And hold that up for the camera to see. Nice and steady. Oh, very nice. And this little collection over here to the right, that's the rest of your G1s, right? Plus a couple of new guys you got for Christmas. Can you remember all their names?
Starscream and Megatron.
Right.
Cosmos.
Uh-huh.
Offspray.
Right.
Warpath. Bumblebee. And Powerglide.
And what is Powerglide? What kind of vehicle is he when he's...
A-10 Warthog!
Right, and what do A-10 Warthogs do?
Fight enemy tanks!
That's right. Now, is this the end of your toy review for today? Soundwave and Laserbeak? And friends?
Yes!
So, toy review, this has been William's.
Toy review!
Goodbye, everybody.